Hello and welcome to the latest update for Speckle 2.16. We are excited to bring you a host of new features that we are sure will help streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. In this release, we have focused on improving our current Revit connector as well as adding improvements to other connectors. Let's dive into the details. Our Revit connector has been updated with some highly requested features, including support for blocks to families. This means that blocks from other software like Rhino, SketchUp, and Blender will now be received as families in Revit, making it much easier to work with external models. We have also added a direct shape fallback setting, which allows you to control when direct shapes will be created. Here are the options you have. First, always. When this option is selected, our connector will create everything received as direct shapes. The second option is on error. It tries to bring all objects as native elements, but in case of an error, falls back to direct shape. This result is then a visually consistent model with its rendering in Speckle Viewer. The last option is never. If you want to load all objects as native, choose the never option. Our connector will only create elements that it can create natively using Revit API. Additionally, we have made some improvements in sending everything from Revit. We have added support for more categories, improved the parameter support. Now we're sending all element parameters, including the empty ones. Added room ID and workset ID parameters to the elements so you can easily relate elements back to the rooms they were placed in. And lastly, we have added support for MEP zones and more MEP types. Let's continue with Rhino. Now, there are new mapping options available in Mapper for Rhino. You can create families from selected blocks and assign categories to them. You can also easily create Revit roofs and ceilings from Rhino surfaces. We have also improved the way we handle Revit categories to Rhino layers, ensuring that all elements have their own layer with their corresponding category being the layer name. Finally, we have updated the way we receive Revit levels as C-planes in Rhino. SketchUp. We are excited to announce that our SketchUp connector is now available for Mac, making it even easier to work with Speckle on your preferred operating system. For ArchiCAD zones are now created as rooms when received in Revit. We have also added a new category option to the selection filters, allowing you to select categories and send only the elements belonging to those. Thanks for watching. So these are some of the highlights from the 2.16 release. Check our release notes to see the full list of features and improvements. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye!